You see, Mr. Powers, I love gold. The look of it, the taste of it, the smell of it, the texture. I love gold so much.
This is the 1997 Hot Wheels 24 karat gold set. Kind of nervous about this one. See how it goes. This appears to be shipped in the original box. It says 1997 on it. Okay, yep. Limited edition, 1 of 5,000. Last in the series. Alright, here we go. Pull this out. So here's the package. This is 24 karat gold Performance Collection Series 3. Features the 1963 split window Stingray and 1990 Corvette ZR1 King of the Hill, which is actually just a custom C4 Corvette convertible. It says it's for the adult collector, limited edition. I like the gold safe. That looks pretty cool. Hot Wheels collectibles cars are crafted with meticulous attention to detail that has made Mattel the world's coolest car company for almost 30 years. 24 karat Performance Collection Series 3 is a limited edition set designed for the adult collector. Here's some more great information on the 1963 Stingray and the 1990 Corvette convertible. Okay, here we go. I think it just slides up. There's so many boxes. Okay. Alright, looks like the stuff is just packed in here. Got the instructions. Looks like everything's here. This is number 3,859 out of 5,000. Okay, I think the cars should be in here. Okay. All right. Here's the moment of truth. You ready for 24 karat gold madness? Oh yeah. Looks pretty awesome. Okay, so this is what I didn't know. This set has never been opened. I thought that's what the listing said, but holy shit. This set has never been opened. These cars have never been out of this package. Wow, that is absolutely insane. They're brand new. Wow. And they sit in here like this. That is crazy. The shine and reflection that this 24 karat gold plated Hot Wheels cars produces is hard to explain in person. It's incredibly shiny. It's not a chrome finish, but you can see the brilliance in the light. It's absolutely amazing. I've had this set for probably, I don't know, 2 years now, and I'm just not sure if I want to open it yet because it's still an appreciating asset. But they are absolutely gorgeous. If you love the Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt series from 1995, you would absolutely love this series with the chrome co-mold wheels. If you are a Hot Wheels Corvette enthusiast, or if you own a Corvette like I do, this is a really awesome die-cast set. Thank you for watching my rapid unboxing of the 24 karat gold series Corvettes from 1997, featuring the 1963 split window Corvette and the C4 custom convertible. Have an awesome day. Happy Hot Wheels hunting.